Welcome guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to make use of Instagram editing feature. Now Instagram has actually introduced an editing feature where you can edit the video you actually recorded or the video you want to upload. Now this feature, there is actually an option that works on this feature. Now if you want to record a video, make sure the video is not up to 90 minutes if you want to use the editing feature. If you want to upload the video, make sure it's not up to 90 minutes. If it's already more than 90 minutes, it cannot be edited. Now to make use of this feature, just click on the plus icon to start your video, right? Now you can actually use an existing video. Let me scroll down a little bit. Let's say this particular video, right? You can actually make use of this video to edit and to use this feature. So let's say you want to edit this video, right? Now all you need to do is to click on next. Do not forget guys, you can also use your camera icon to record yourself and make those changes. Now to edit this video, you can see the edit button on the bottom right. Click on the edit button. Now click on pause on this top area. You can always pause and play the video. Click on pause and then make sure the video starts from the beginning so you see everything. This area is to revert the changes you made. And then this edit option on this bottom, you have every tools that you need to actually edit your video. And you can notice it says tap on the track to trim or pinch to zoom. Now it actually gives you some guidance on something that you need to do. You can click this to edit the video, click this to add audio, add text, add clip. You can add a sticker, a meme, a voiceover, you reduce the volume, add a filter, and a lot. Now let's start from making edit of the clip. Now to edit a clip or to split in between, let's say this area where the boy was laughing, ha ha ha. Let's assume we do not want that, right? So after the say it funny and then ha ha ha. So we want to cut from this area. You click on it and then you click on split. Now you just split, right? Now let's go to where he laughed, ha ha ha. Now he stopped the ha 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 before the good job. Now just this area, click on it, click on the beginning on the clip and then you split and then you get rid of the one in the middle, which is where the boy was laughing. You click on discard and then you confirm discard. It just deleted that. Now when you play the video, you will no longer see where the boy laughed, right? Now that's cool. And if for some reason you want to bring it back, maybe that was a mistake, you can always undo your changes right here. Click on this undo button and it's going to bring it back. And you can always play it to confirm if it's yes. Now if it's yes, you can leave it. If no, maybe you want to leave it the way it was, you can redo by clicking on this one. Now another thing, if you decide to add an audio to the video, you can click on add audio and you can choose any audio, and this is the audio. You could actually move this timeline to any interesting timeline that you want from the audio, and then once you're done, you click on save. And now after you save, the video is going to be added to your audio. You can see this area rolling up. It means the video is being added. Let it be. Now what actually happened is it added this audio of this blue billish, and then it removed the voice from the sound. You can notice right there, this voice is no longer there. So when you click on this, the voice is going to be active. Now you can play it. Always be closing. Now I don't think I'm actually okay with this. The reason why I'm not okay with this is because this sound is actually sounding more than the voice in the video. So you actually have to reduce the music sound and then let the voice also play. So you click on the music, right? Make sure you have the music selected and then you click on the volume and then go ahead and reduce this because you just want the music to be a background sound and then you want to hear the voice of the person talking. You click on done and then let it play.
Always be closing, and even if you're not, always be talking.
But now you can notice that the music is playing, but the voiceover is too loud and the music is not even entering at all. So go ahead and increase it a little bit. I think this should be a bit better. Click on done. Now let's play.
Always be closing, and even if you're not, always be talking. Remember, people buy from people.
Right, now you can hear the music and you can also hear the person's voice. If you are not satisfied in any way, go ahead and switch this to whichever way satisfy you. And if you are done editing any particular session, just click anywhere outside of it. Now the next thing, if you decide to add a text to your video, you can always do that by clicking on add text. Now when you click on add text, you can add any text you like, and let me say this is perfect, right? Now, after adding your text, you notice the text has a white background. You can always change that by clicking on this color area and then choosing the background that you want. But if that is actually not what you want, you do not want it to have any background, you can always select this area, right? You can always select this area, right? You notice it no longer has any background. You click on it, it's going to change multiple ways until you have seen the perfect one you want. You can settle with that. So if this actually works for you in any way, please let me know. And if you have further question about this, also let me know.
So
Once you're
laugh
done
at their
adding your
jokes, even if
text,
they're
move it around to the exact area you want it
funny.
to be.
Good
Let's say
job. Remember, no is not an answer. They don't block your
either here or here, because it's not going to
number. You're not trying hard
Once
enough.
you're done with the
Always
test,
be
click on
always
done.
be closing, even if you're not.
Pause the video. Now you're actually done with the test. You can always make the test a text to speech by clicking on this option to add a text to speech. And also, you notice the test started all the way from the beginning to the end, right? If you want to add multiple tests to the video, you can do that. You can reduce this test. Let's say it starts from here and it just play like 2 seconds, and then you can add another test right there. Click on the test. Cool. And then done.
Remember, people buy from
And
people
also put this on the same area,
laugh at their jokes,
right?
even if
Click
they're
on
always
done.
be closing, even
Make the test start from here and then end here. So guys, go ahead and play around it. This test that says this is perfect is going to play, allow you to play, and you can see the next one, cool, with joining. So you can always do that. And also, if you want to add animation to your test, or you want to edit any test, if you want to edit any test, double click on it. Either you click on it and you click edit.
remember, people buy from people they like.
So when you click on
Remember,
it,
people buy
click
from
on the
people they
test,
like.
and then
So
this is
laugh at.
actually animation.
Remember, people
You
buy
can
from
choose
people
that,
they
and then
like.
it's
So
going to
laugh
add
at.
animation to
Remember,
it too.
people buy from people
Also
they
easy
like.
mode.
So
And then
laugh
you
at.
click on done.
Always be closing, even.
I just don't like the fact that every time you edit, the videos just play automatically. I don't like that. So click on outside and it's going to be deselected. And you can actually add clip hub. If you click on clip hub, you are going to see so many clips. And this is actually a clip, guys. Note there is different from a clip and a sticker. So let's say you want to have this clip on your video. You select the clip, it's going to load up and it will be downloaded and added to your video. This is actually free, guys. Do not be afraid to make use of it. So it's still loading, taking so much time. All right, the clip has been added, but it added twice, so I'm going to delete one. Click on it, discard. Now it has, now the clip is actually at the end, right? Now let's continue the video. So now another thing, you can add a sticker. I just added a clip, do not forget. Now you can add a sticker. A sticker is actually something that appears in front of the video. If you have avatar, or if you've created avatar, you can see your avatar here. When you click on your avatar, you are going to see all of the interesting avatar. So you can click on this and let's just add it somewhere here. Don't forget you can reduce it by using your two thumbs to pinch your screen. You reduce it and you can have it there and you can say done. And do not forget the avatar is going to extend from the beginning of the video to the end, so you can always reduce it the way you want. So I want this to like stop just about here, so it starts playing and then it stops here and then it disappears. I'm okay with that. Click outside and you can also add meme. You can click on this to see trending meme. You can see any trending meme. You can select any of them to add to your video, but I'm just going to pass.
Always be closing, even if you're not.
And then the next thing, you can also add a voiceover. When you click on a voiceover, you can record your voice by clicking on the record voice right there. It's going to record your voice and then you're going to record your voice all through the video. And also you can always increase the volume of this video in general and everything. And if you decide to actually, this record option is actually, let's say this, you have like 1, 2, 3 clip in your video, right? And you want this clip of this meme, right, to be right here just before the swing. Right now you can use this particular record option. You click on that, it's going to display all of the clip on your video. You click on this area, you move it towards this side, it's going to be in between, and then you're going to say done. Now you can now see that the video plays after this one, it displays this one, and then it displays the last scene, right? Now that is actually what the clip is used for. And then another thing, guys, you notice this video is not full length, right? Now you can actually do something else by making this video a full video, but that is actually based on you. Click on the video and then you can see the crop option. Use your two thumb to maximize this, but then do not forget that if you maximize this, it's actually going to affect the real video. For instance, this.
Interesting. Very.
Yeah. Now what I am trying to explain is this area where you have this frame rate actually is what is going to display to your viewers. Your viewers will not see anything outside of this white frame rate right here. So anything outside of this is not going to display. So people are not going to see this and they're not going to see the other hand. So if you decide to use the video this way, you can go ahead and export. But if you want them to see all of the information or all of the detail, you can just move it this way and move it this way. So decide whichever one you want. That is based on how you want it. So guys, this is all I want to show you on this video. If you have any question or any issue regarding this, please let me know on the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. And also you can add filter. You can add filter to the video. There are different filter. I didn't click on that because I didn't think a lot of people use it, but you can add filter. When you add filter, it's going to change different color of your video. Now my internet is quite slow, so it's not loading the stickers very well, so that's the reason why it's not loading up. And once you're done with every editing, just click on the forward icon right here. The video is going to process, and you notice it says a new way to reuse. We are adding new ways to. This is actually new. Okay, I'm going to say okay. Now you can go ahead and add a write-up to your video. Let's say good. And once you finish the caption, you can go ahead and choose. Let's say you want people to know this is actually AI generated or any other thing. Just go ahead and add that. But if you're done, click on share. It's going to upload your video, and you notice the video is started uploading. And that is all for today's video. If you have any question regarding this, please let me know on the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe and peace.